Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm getting back into the groove of it. I just got back from North Carolina. I was with my sisters who mean the absolute world to me, and it was seriously the best time ever. And I got to see the babies and hang out and just really take a break, like take a good little break from everything. So I'm here in the studio, I'm back at it, and there was a box sent my way with 100 shades of foundation. I have a lot to say, just my initial reaction with 100 shade range. And I know a lot of people online had the same kind of gut response. You know, do we need 100 shades? Is this getting out of hand? Because while inclusivity is so important and there needs to be something for everyone, I am such a believer in that. And I think it is so incredible to see brands really step it up and have adequate ranges in each category, from very fair to light, light medium, medium, medium deep, deep. You know, there's just so many different skin tones globally. So it is important, but it's a little intense. I think, you know, anywhere from 30 to 45 shades really will cover globally any skin color out there, and that this is just a little confusing. So I hope that does not upset anybody watching this right now, but I just have to speak from the heart because there's a balance of covering everything and making sure everybody has what they need if they want to try the product, no matter where you come from, what your skin color is, that everybody has something they can use. But then there's this other avenue of our brands just trying to one up each other with these crazy shade ranges that really aren't necessary if you boil it down, just to use it as a marketing tool. That sounds gross to say that, I know, and I love this brand. I have a lot of love for this brand, so don't go thinking that I'm just gonna crap all over this. It's just me speaking how I normally would in any video about all of the pros and cons. I'm confused, that's all I'm saying. I look like I belong in Harry Potter, or I keep glancing in the monitor and I feel like a wizard. Where's my wand? Wait, I have lots of them. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. I'm gonna use this to make my face look great. Okay, so this product right here, let me share with you the name of the product that has 100 shades. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. I like the name, I think it's cute. I want to like my selfies. It is a long wear foundation. It says it can also be used as a concealer. You get 1 ounce in here. It is, okay, a lot of claims going on. Blue light defense, anti-pollution, cruelty-free, yay, gluten-free, and it's vegan friendly. This is friendly to so many people. So they sent me 3 shades that they thought would be my shades. Let's see here. They sent me Light Natural 5. They sent me Light Natural 6. They sent me Light Natural 4. They're trying to shade match me to behave is what they're doing, because normally I'm like, I'm medium neutral, and then I just like whap a bunch of bronzer on the rest of my body. I might do that. But these look nice. So you get a brush. This is the magic tool. What? Wait, excuse me? What the heck is that? There's like a silicone bauble in here. Who are you? This looks like I need to cover that up. Okay, so what else you get in here is, oh my God, it's my best friend Michelle. I was just talking about her. Hey. Hello?
Hey, happy Friday.
Happy Friday. You're on speaker and you're in my video because I was actually just talking about you.
Is there a thing where with your ears itching from thinking about you?
I don't know. Your ears were ringing because I was talking about you and your obsession with Pure Cosmetics.
I love Couture.
Why?
I love it.
Can you give us an immediate review, like from a real woman who has children, diapers to change, and a career? Please fill us in on why you love this.
So when I get to work, I literally sit in my car and have 5 minutes to do my makeup before I walk into my job. And that powder, the coverage is amazing, and it's completely smooth. And then the best part is, when you wear it and like your natural, kind of like the oils from your skin start coming out. I don't know. Like sometimes that's
you were trying to find like a cute way for saying when you get sweaty a little bit in the day. It looks better. Actually, I have one more question because I love getting a response from like the women in my life that are busy, that don't have a lot of time to fuss, you know, what they really think about these big launches. So what Pure just did is they launched 100 shades of foundation. Do we think that's too much, or do you like that?
I would think that they did the research before they spent that money, and there's actually people that need those foundation colors.
Oh, That makes sense.
Right? And I think they would invest that much time and money if it wasn't necessary, right?
I would hope so. I mean, part of me thinks it's marketing. Part of me agrees with you. Part of me feels really confused looking at 100 shades of like, I have no clue which one is mine.
It would be intimidating for somebody that really doesn't know what colors, so I would hope they would come up with a solution.
Yeah, they have a nice like grid online. I don't know. I'm gonna dig in and I'll let you know later how it goes.
Do your thing. Do
Okay.
your job.
I'll go do my job. Oh, yes. I love that.
I'm gonna go treat myself.
Yes, treat yourself. You so deserve it. And everybody watching, thumbs up this video if you would like to see the mysterious best friend Michelle on my channel. All right. Okay, I love you. I'll call you later.
Love you too.
Wow, we haven't even gotten to application. We need to make this happen. So I'm just gonna take kind of a quick peek in here at the medium section, like just in case. See, this is confusing. Hello. Right? Pink, neutral. This is a lot. I'm gonna do some close-ups so you guys can see all of foundations. I just need to put it on my face. Let's just do that. We're gonna try out this crazy brush too. I don't have a lot of faith for this, but we're gonna go. We're gonna do it. I also have a beauty blender here. We'll do halvesies. Too light. Well, these are both too light for me, but thank God I have 100 foundations to choose from. Something that I like doing is if I know a foundation matches me really, really well, I will actually take a little bit of it in like a contact lens case or just any little jar, like squeeze a little bit in there, pour a little bit in there, and that way you know that in all light that is your shade and it makes you feel great and you love it. And if you're curious to branch out and try a different formula, finish, new foundation, take that with you when you go shopping, and that way you can put a little bit of what you know matches you on your hand, and then you can take a little bit of the new shade and try to get really, really close. That way you're not fooled by fluorescent lighting. It's a great way to shade match. So tips, I'm magic. Wow, what the heck was I thinking with this? Let's try to shade match. Okay, that's about like my beauty blender one. See, this is the foundation that I like to wear, and this looks pretty close. I have already primed my skin, so this one little area will not be primed. We're gonna take a breath and get through it together. It's gonna be fine. I just want to dot this on the face everywhere. We're gonna do one side first with the brush. It's kind of thick. Like, I do feel like I'm putting concealer on my face. And I am gonna do check-ins, probably from a plane. I always love seeing how makeup performs on a plane because that is just like dehydration station and it usually ends up looking terrible no matter what. So, you know, we'll find out. Oh, this is actually blending it so nice. I'm so sorry I was rude to you. Huh. Okay, in the monitor, for whatever reason, it looks a little uneven. In the mirror, it doesn't. I'm gonna continue this side, try it with the beauty blender. Wow, okay, a little goes a long way. I'm gonna bronze up my neck, I know. I just need more, a little bit more. You don't need a ton. It is very, very full coverage. It could be used as a concealer, spot concealer on the face or underneath the eye. I kind of am into that. I might actually use the lighter shade that they sent me as my concealer today. I really don't want to because I'm so into the Jeffree Star concealer. That stuff is my new #1. But also I'm kind of curious, you know? Okay, so while that brush seemed to really like blend it out quickly, I think I still prefer the sponge. It just soaks a little of the product back so you get an even and perfect blend. This is making my skin look flawless. I'm so impressed. What is happening right now? Okay, I am gonna use this as my concealer. So far, so good. I need powders, I need the rest of the face, the rest of the makeup, and I will be right back. This is the end result, you guys. I am loving this foundation. It feels so nice on the skin. It is covering my skin. It has not caked up at all. It looks so, so nice. And especially with the rest of my makeup on, I did like the full glam thing today. I will link below a video where you can see the rest of this makeup in action, the eyeshadow, the highlight, all of that. It is very budget friendly. It is a bunch of new Wet n Wild, so I will link that below. But this foundation has been on my face now because I filmed another video for several hours. It is, oh my gosh, how is it $4.19? Okay, so I put this on around like 1:30. I am gonna wear this all the way until I get to Seattle tonight. So I will be sure to do a bunch of check-ins. It does say it's a very long wear product and I really wanna put that to the test. I also want to mention a few other call outs and then we'll just kind of let it sit and see what happens. Okay, so here's the rest of the information that I think you guys should know. It has an energy complex. I feel really tired, so I don't really know what energy, ginseng, green tea, vitamin B to help boost the skin's natural metabolism. I don't know about that, but it's one of the benefits in this product. It has lingonberry extract. It says it helps protect skin against abuse. And I don't know why that sounds so crazy to me. Like, what a word. Abuse caused by high energy visible blue light. Everybody is including a lot of blue light, you know, protection in their products because of this that we do all day, every day, right? The concealer, use the doe foot applicator. Foundation, use 1 or 2 pumps. That's interesting. Okay, so this, I didn't notice this. Check it out. It's a concealer, or you use the pump and it's your foundation. That's really, really neat. They put a lot of thought into that. The shade range is crazy. It's $36, and now the fun part, we see how many hours it takes until this makeup completely falls apart. All right, I will see you guys in a few hours. You guys, I am having like 2 major discoveries with foundation in 1 week, and that almost never ever happens. I love coming to this light so you guys can really see what's going on. I feel like this foundation looks good, it feels good, it feels like it's gonna hold up even through a flight, and we will see how that goes. It has a nice natural finish, full coverage. I like the application with the doe foot applicator and pump. I think that's so neat. It's very similar to the Foundsealer, but more coverage. And it feels like it's gonna last longer, which I really love. Not as juicy, not as hydrating, but it's good, right? It's nice. It's 6:48. I will check in with you guys on the plane and we will continue the makeup foundation journey. All right, guys, so it is about 9 o'clock now. Foundation is still good. I can't even believe this. We have Puka with us, and the weirdest thing happened. This guy literally was like mad at me for taking my shoes off at the TSA pre-check because they had metal on them. And he found it necessary to like track us down, no joke, while we're walking to, you know, where we board. He came up to James, who was holding Puka, and was like, the dog's. It was the weirdest thing ever. Like, honestly, it was super, super weird. So I'm just like, weird energy exchange. I don't know. The foundation's fantastic. It's looking the best. But anyway, we're on a flight and we're very happy to be headed to Seattle. I get to see some family this weekend. It'll be good. Deep breaths. But I'm like kind of shocked that the makeup looks as good as it does for as long as I've already been wearing it. All right, you guys, so I got off the plane. I settled, I looked at the clock, and it is 12:30, so this makeup has been on for hours and hours and hours, and I am actually kind of surprised that it looks as good as it does. Like, it actually has held together, the pigmentation, the smoothness, the evenness. I don't know, I really like this. I'm so shocked. I did not think it would end up this way, but I feel like I'm having such a killer skin day. It's like the Tarte one that I just reviewed, that I like, but for different reasons. That one is more of a natural, moisturizing, lighter coverage type of a thing that doesn't last as long. This one is like, whoa, you're flawless. It's full coverage, but it is so long wearing. Yes, I'm shiny, but I would be with like anything else. And always when I'm on a plane, I get like super, like my skin just ends up looking terrible by the time I'm done being on a plane. So I'm loving this. I think this is so great. I'm actually really annoyed with myself that I didn't pack it. So I'll be trying it again when I get back to LA, but Pure, wow, like such a good job. I love so many things about it, from the ingredients to the bottle. You know, the wild color range. Like, I don't know, I was able to find my color, so I guess like you do you. If you want to bring out 100 shades, I don't think it's necessary. I think it could be overwhelming, but I don't really think it's the biggest negative ever, so I'm just gonna leave it be. The price is right, the wear time is good, I'm good. I need to take off my makeup, but really, you know how I always say like, I'm expired? I'm not. Like, I could just put on a little bit of powder, a little gloss, and I could go hit the town and feel really cute and good still. So that's a good makeup day and a good foundation day. I'm calling it though. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if there are other products out there that you want to see me review and do a full day wear test. Thumbs the video up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like my channel. Bless you, James.
Thank you.
And ring the bell. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.